Have you ever wondered what the future holds for humanoid robots? As we journey through the 21st century, the line between science fiction and reality continues to blur. In this ever-evolving landscape of innovation, one company stands out from the crowd: Disney. Yes, you heard it right, Disney. Known worldwide for their magical kingdoms and beloved characters, they are now venturing into a new realm, the world of humanoid robots. Disney has always been a maverick, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And now, they're translating that same spirit of innovation into the development of humanoid robots. But these aren't your average robots. Disney is looking to create something truly extraordinary. Robots that are not just machines but lifelike entities. Imagine robots that can interact with us, understand us, and maybe even one day think like us. At the heart of this venture is a dedicated team of researchers, engineers, and dreamers working tirelessly at Disney's research facilities. Their mission? To breathe life into metal and wires to create a robot with a lifelike gaze. This isn't just about building a machine that can mimic human movements. It's about crafting a being that can truly engage with us, that can look us in the eye and make us feel seen and understood. The implications of this are vast and maybe a little scary, but isn't that what makes it exciting? The unknown, the potential, the promise of what could be? This is the dawn of humanoid robots. A new era where technology and humanity merge, where our wildest dreams could become reality. Disney's research team recently made a significant breakthrough in this field, a development that could revolutionize not just the world of robotics but our lives as we know them. And we're about to delve into this next, so buckle up, because the future is here, and it's more exciting and maybe a little more humanoid than you ever imagined. Disney's team has recently developed a humanoid animatronic bust with a lifelike gaze. A fascinating leap forward in the realm of robotics, Disney's research team has been tirelessly working to bring this vision to life. They've recently published a paper and video titled Realistic and Interactive Robot Gaze, which delves into the intricacies of their latest development. This humanoid animatronic bust is no ordinary robot. It's been meticulously designed to imitate human gaze, a feature that adds an uncanny level of realism to the machine. The animatronic bust doesn't just look around randomly. Instead, it uses a complex system of sensors and algorithms to mimic the nuances of human eye movement. It can follow moving objects, make contact with people, and even blink naturally. The magic lies in the details. The animatronic bust doesn't only mimic human gaze, but also the subtleties of our eye movements. It doesn't just stare blankly, it glances. It doesn't just look, it observes. It doesn't just see, it seems to perceive. It's these understated details that make the bust's gaze so eerily lifelike. Disney's development isn't just about creating a robot that mimics human gaze, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the field of robotics. It's about exploring the potential of creating machines that can interact with humans in a more natural, intuitive way. This humanoid animatronic bust represents a pioneering step in that direction. Of course, this bleeding-edge tech doesn't come without its fair share of questions. How far should we go in creating robots that mimic human behavior? What are the ethical considerations? And most importantly, how will this development impact our future interactions with machines? As we marvel at Disney's latest achievement, it's clear that we're standing on the precipice of a new era in robotics. An era where the line between human and machine becomes increasingly blurred, and where our interactions with robots could become as natural as our interactions with each other. This groundbreaking development opens up a world of possibilities but also raises some questions. What does a future with lifelike humanoid robots look like? Imagine a world where robots are not just machines doing our bidding, but entities that can interact with us on a human level. Disney's recent development, a robot capable of lifelike gaze, pushes us closer to this reality. The potential benefits of such advancements are enormous. Humanoid robots could revolutionize industries from healthcare to hospitality. Picture a robot nurse capable of providing round-the-clock care, or a robot waiter that can flawlessly remember and fulfill every customer's order. The possibilities are endless, and the efficiency and productivity gains could be astronomical. Yet, with these benefits come significant drawbacks. The displacement of human labor is a major concern. As robots become more capable, jobs traditionally performed by humans could be in jeopardy. And this isn't just about manual labor. With robots that can mimic human interaction, even jobs in customer service could be at risk. Beyond the economic implications, there are ethical considerations to ponder. if a robot can mimic human interaction, at what point does it cease to be just a machine? If it can look at us, respond to us, and interact with us in a manner indistinguishable from a human, does it deserve rights? These are complex questions that society will need to grapple with as this technology advances. Moreover, we must consider the potential for misuse. What happens if these robots fall into the wrong hands? They could be used to manipulate, deceive, or even harm. It's a chilling thought, but one we can't ignore. Disney's development is exciting, yet it throws us into uncharted territory. We're on the cusp of a new era, one where robots could be more than just tools. They could become our companions, our caretakers, our colleagues, but they could also disrupt our economies, challenge our ethical frameworks, and pose new risks. As we move forward, the lines between humans and robots continue to blur. Where are we heading with these advancements in humanoid robot technology? This is a question that's been buzzing in the minds of many as we make leaps and strides in the realm of robotics. Based on current trajectories, it's clear that humanoid robots will continue to evolve, becoming increasingly sophisticated and lifelike. Think about it. We had robots with basic motor skills just a few decades ago, and now we have robots that can emulate a lifelike gaze. That's a gigantic leap in a relatively short span of time. In the future, we can expect humanoid robots to be integrated more seamlessly into our daily lives. In healthcare, for instance, robots could assist in complex surgeries with precision beyond human capabilities, or provide companionship and care for the elderly. In education, humanoid robots could offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and style of learning. On the industry front, humanoid robots could take on dangerous tasks, protecting human lives. Imagine a future where no human has to risk their life in a mine or a nuclear reactor because a robot can do it instead. However, the development of humanoid robots isn't just about practical applications. It's also about understanding ourselves better. By attempting to replicate human traits in robots, we gain deeper insights into what makes us human. The pursuit of humanoid robots can lead to revelations about the human brain, consciousness, and emotions. But as we stand on the cusp of this brave new world, it's essential to tread with caution. The ethical implications of creating lifelike robots are vast. Questions about robot rights, their impact on human jobs, and the potential for misuse are just the tip of the iceberg. So, while the future of humanoid robots is undoubtedly exciting, it's also fraught with challenges. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also ensure we're prepared for the implications of our creations. The future of humanoid robots is a fascinating yet uncertain path. As we step into this uncharted territory, one thing is clear. The journey ahead is going to be nothing short of remarkable. In the short span of this video, we've traveled from Disney's first steps into humanoid robots to the future possibilities of this technology. We took a deep dive into the world of humanoid robots, a realm where magic and science intersect, and Disney emerges as a key player. Their dedicated research team, with its relentless pursuit of innovation, has gifted us a sneak peek into the future, unveiling a humanoid animatronic bust with a lifelike gaze. This development, though fascinating, isn't without its chilling factor. Imagine a robot that doesn't just mimic our physical movements, but can also replicate our gaze, one of the most intimate and human of interactions. This isn't just an advancement in robotics, but a leap towards blurring the lines between humans and robots. We've also pondered on the implications of such developments. As the robots become more lifelike, the social, ethical, and psychological aspects come into play. How will humans react to robots that can gaze back at them, mirroring their emotions? How will this affect our relationships with these mechanical beings? And more importantly, how will it redefine the definition of being human? As we journeyed further into the future of humanoid robots, we've envisioned a world where robots are not just machines, but entities with the ability to interact and engage in a human-like manner. The potential applications are limitless, from entertainment and education to healthcare and beyond. In conclusion, the advent of lifelike humanoid robots is an exciting yet daunting prospect. It represents a new frontier in technology, a world where robots are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction, but become an integral part of our daily lives. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is certain: the world of humanoid robots is only going to get more interesting.